Hello beautiful, my name is Joany and I welcome you to my channel. If you're new to my channel, today we'll be doing shimmies, and if you've never done shimmies, I recommend that you go see my complete beginner series where I really break down those shimmies. And the kind of shimmies we'll be doing today, because there's so many variation in the shimmies. I mean, there's like lots. Over, there's hundreds of ways of doing shimmies. Today, we're going to focus on the fast shimmy, which is the Egyptian shimmy. And we're going to focus on the hip shimmy, more of the slow movement in the hips. Okay, so the hip shimmy, I like to kind of start with the knees softly bent, and then you already have some range of motion. If your legs are straight, you'll have to kind of bend one knee and then switch, which is another way of doing it. But for me, I like to flex the knees a little bit and just sway my hips. It's like the hula dancers, so you want to just make sure that you're seeing your hip going up and down, and you never lock the knee like this. Anyways, just a little definition of how this movement works. Okay, now you could go slow, doing hip sways, lift, or you could go fast, and even a little bit faster. But you do want to feel the hip going up and down. Okay, they're hip shimmies, so you want the hip to go up and down. And then the Egyptian shimmy, which the legs are straight for this one, and you bend and alternate the knees forward and back. And you want to go fast. And the power is in your thighs, okay? So as much as you're going fast, you don't want to tighten your belly or your glutes. Those right here, those muscles, you want them to be relaxed. You want them to really jiggle. But the power is right in here. Knees are going forward and back as fast as you can. As fast as you can. But the moment you feel tension, go back to just forward and back, nice and slow, and then repeat. I'm going to put this with music. Those two shimmies. Get ready. All right, bend the knees and right, left, right, or flex the knees. Hip sway, up and down. I'm going to increase the speed. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Posture is so important, so I want to make sure that your pelvic is not back too much. It's a bit tucked in. Long girl axis, you want to kind of lift this a little bit. Relax your shoulders. And always smile, because the more you smile, the more this relaxes. Okay? If this is tense, this is tense too. So bring some joy into your hips. Keep going. And then we're going to go Egyptian shimmy. Legs are straight and forward and back. Feel the muscles in your glutes being all relaxed. Feel that vibration going through your glutes, through your belly. Let it shake. Don't forget your posture. Don't forget to smile. Bring some energy to your soul and body. Shimmy just wakes up to your cells. Shake it, shake it, shake. Wakey, wakey, wakey. Ah, ah, ah. You ready? Now we're going to do this with another song. And I'm going to get ready for that. So we're going to work those two shimmies. Okay? All right. Loose hip shimmy. We'll do the whole song. And right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. shimmy, fast, Egyptian shimmy. Relax. Hip shimmy, hip shimmy. If you can bring your arms up. Pretend you have like a big Florida orange underneath your armpit. Back to the Egyptian shimmy. You could frame your hip, and again, notice how I don't close my armpit. Open. Back to the flex knees, hips, slow shimmy, hip shimmy, nice and slow. Hip shimmy a bit faster. Egyptian shimmy, faster. Let everything jiggle. Flex. Bring your arms out, up. Shimmy, Egyptian. Go as fast as you can. And there's those two shimmy that you could practice. Oh, you want to do it? Let's do it again. All right. Boom, boom. Might as well keep going. One more time. Hips, waist, lift, lift, loose hip shimmy. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Egyptian shimmy. Again, keep your arms open. Hip sway, shimmy, loose hip shimmy. Egyptian. And hip. Egyptian. Shake it. Loose. Loose hip. Keep it in the hip. Egyptian shimmy. Strong thighs, come on, shake it. Hip. Shimmies always bring a smile on my face. It's such a happy movement. All right, keep practicing, my lovelies, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.